Class, in previous lecture already we have discussed about graph, vertices, edges, how we can construct graph. Right now we are going to find the total vertices, total edges. Here we will see there are 5 vertices: A, B, C, D and E. So total 5. And here we will see total edges 6. How many total edges? 6. Such as कौन है? A to B, A to D भी हो सकते हैं, B to C. अच्छा, क्या A to B, हाँ A से पहले कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, A to B and B to C. A to C नहीं, A to D. हाँ सर, B will go on the अच्छा A to A भी जाएगा क्लास, क्योंकि लूप चला है ना यहाँ पे. So here we will see A to A to B, लूप चला है. So here we must write A to A. Yes or no? And then A to B, then A to D. Do you have any problem? No. Similarly, we will construct B to B, B to C, B direction नहीं देंगे, B to C, then answers B to E, B to E. किसी में directions नहीं जाएंगे क्लास, because this is undirected graph. So here you will see A to A to B. Yes.
They can also go on the A, B to A.
हाँ बिल्कुल तो जाएंगे, तो लेकिन वही तो मैं कंफर्म आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, इसीलिए तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. हो सकता है B to B पहले कंसीडर कर रहे हैं, B to C, B to E and B to A. बिल्कुल absolutely, क्योंकि this is undirected and here we will consider on C. So we will see C to B, C to D, C to D. Yes or no class? And then we will consider of the next vertices D to D पर लूप चले हैं.
सर C to C भी जाएगा ना?
C to
C just because
for loop है. Yes loop. Yeah. C to C because this is a loop. So here D to D, D to A, D to A, D to E, D to D, D to D, D to A, D to E, D to C.
Yes sir.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Very good. Next we will consider on the vertices E, and here we will see E to B, E to D. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
तो आई थिंक आप vertices और edges के कंसेप्ट आपके क्लियर होंगे.
सर अगर हम सब काउंट करें सर एजेस, थोड़ी एजेस तो काफी लंबी थोड़ी अच्छे से देख.
तो इसका है vertices कितने हैं टोटल?
5.
टोटल vertices 5. edges कितने हैं?
एजेस तो हमने 6 से
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
सर ये इट हैज मोर देन 10. सर हाउ?
अब देखिए मोर देन 10 कैसे हो जाएगा?
यस सर.
1 2 3
यस सर.
4
यस सर.
5 6 7 8 9 छोड़िए ना उसे, यहीं पे हम कंटिन्यू करती है, बेट रखती है.
पर सर यहाँ पे हमने
वो हो सकता है
सर दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस वन होना चाहिए ना.
तो कहीं ना कहीं वहां पे हुआ होगा, बट हियर तो बेट हम रख दिए सबका. हियर आई हैव पुट अप द ऑल द बेट ऑफ द एवरी वर्टिसेस. तो बाय डिफॉल्ट तो 10 आ गया ना. यस या नो? क्लियर? राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कंस्ट्रक्ट द मैट्रिसेस इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दिस ग्राफ. मैट्रिसेस में there are how many matrices? Because
there are
lot of नहीं, in accordance with graph.
सर बहुत सारे हैं.
In accordance with graph, adjacency matrix and incidence matrix. आप देखिए, आप मास्टर्स डिग्री स्टूडेंट हैं, आपको खुद से थोड़ा इस चीज को रखना होगा. फर्स्ट इज दैट adjacency matrix adjacency matrix, and second is that incidence matrix. है ना class?
Yes sir.
इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स। और 12th वाला मैट्रिक्स का कांसेप्ट नहीं समझिएगा, ये ग्राफ का है। सो हियर वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट लाइक this one already I have discussed about of this, how we can place the vertices. Here we will write A, B, C, D and E. Yes class?
Yeah.
And this one A, B, C, D and this one E. Here we will check how vertices will be moved from one to another. And here we can observe क्या A से A पर गया है?
Yeah.
जिस पे जाता है उसको किससे डिनोट करते हैं विकास? It is denoted by जो ग्राफ which visited, लिख लीजिए पॉइंट्स, which visited, जो विजिट करता है, which visited on a particular vertex, or which visited on a particular vertex, that is denoted by 1, that is denoted by 1। उसको किससे इंडिकेट करते हैं क्लास? 1 से। and which vertex, जो vertex विजिट नहीं करता है, which vertex does not visit on any vertex, that is denoted by 0। okay class? and here A to A से A पर गया है, लूप के द्वारा गया है, so here we will write the 1। A to B पे गया है, बिल्कुल, yes, so we will write the 1। A to C,
Yes. It is an A.
yes,
No.
it is denoted by 0। A to D, yes, absolutely, so here we will write 1। A to E, no, 0। so here again we will check the next vertex। B to B गया, B to A गया है, yes, B to A, because this is undirected and that will be moved on directional mode, so here we will denote it by the 1। okay, right now we will see B to B, that will be inner loop, so here we will denote it by the 1, and B to C indicated by 1, and B to D, no, 0, so here we will write the B to E and it is denoted by the 1। okay, next we will see C, vertex C to A, no, it is denoted by 0। C to B, yes, that will be visited on vertex B, so here we will write the 1, and then again we will check the C, vertex C to C, that will be denoted by 1 because it is the inner loop, so again we will check the consider next C to D, that will be denoted by 1 because it is visited, but C to E does not visit, so here we will write the 0, again we will check the next vertex D to A, that will be visit, no, D to A, yes, that will be visited, so we will denote it by 1, and again we will check the D to B, no, that will not visit, so here we will denote by the 0, again we will check the D to C, that will be denoted by the 1 because that here this is visited on the vertex C, again we will check the next vertex D to D, that is inner loop, so here we will write the 1, again we will check the D to E, and then we will check, yes, that will be visited, so here we will write the 1. Next we will check the vertex E, and E we will check E to A, no, here the vertex E is have not visited on A, so we will denote by the 0, so here we will write the 0, That's why, because this is not visited, so here E to B, that is visited, so here we will denote it by the 1. Again we will check the process E to C, that will not, here that is not, it is not visited, so we will write the 0. Again we will check the process E, vertex D, E to D, no, that, yes, that is visited, because this is undirectionally, that is visited, so we will write, and again E to E, no, 0. Here class हमारे सामने, here we will see the additions matrix, and right now we will check the number of elements which are present, how many rows and how many columns in this matrix. Mr. Vikas, this is 1, 2, 12. अगर आपने थोड़ा मोड़ा पढ़ा होगा तो आपको मैथ्स का थोड़ा कंसेप्ट याद होगा. स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स क्या होते हैं?
जिसके नंबर ऑफ रोज से कॉलम बराबर हो. If the number of row and column is equal to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So according to this matrix, can we say this is the square matrix?
yeah, we can.
So why? Because here we can observe the total number of rows and columns are equal. So according to the rule of the matrix rule, that will relies on the square matrix. Okay class? So here sometimes आपको ग्राफ इस तरह से एलिमेंट्स दिए जा सकते हैं, प्लॉटिंग करने के लिए कहा जाए. ये क्वेश्चन समझ. अच्छा, इसी को राइट नाउ, ये तो डायरेक्टेड की बात हो गई. अब राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द डायरेक्शनल ग्राफ. लुक एट, कैन आई रेज?
यस सर.
गुड
सर, एक मैट्रिक्स हमारा बचा हुआ है, इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स.
ऑलरेडी मैंने करा दिया है उसकी मैट्रिक्स को, बट आपने शायद नहीं ध्यान दिया, तो फिर करा
नहीं सर, आप रिकैप कर रहे हैं, हम भी पूछ लिए.
ओके, दैट्स गुड. फिर से करा देंगे, डोंट वरी. इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स ही मैं करा देता हूं, पहले डायरेक्शंस कंप्लीट करा के देन वी विल डू स्टार्ट द इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स. ओके, दैट्स गुड. Directional, in directional we will see, look at the board. Here we will see the vertex A like this, and this one B, vertex B, and here we will see this is directional, vertex A to B to B, this is a directional, and here this is also an inner loop, this is also a directional inner loop, and it is also a directional inner loop. But here we can observe C, this one, D, and here we will see, here we will see E, here vertex E, and here we can observe like this F, vertex F, and that will be lies on G. Class, according to this graph, इस ग्राफ से आप ऑब्जर्व कर देते हैं, this is a directional graph. That's why, because it is denoted by this arrow symbol. So here we are going to construct the matrices. So like this. In previous lecture already I have discussed how it works. कैसे काम करता है? Is this working properly? Because look at, we will see A, B, C, D and E. Okay, and here we will check A, B, C, D and E. Okay class, and here we will check A to A visit किया है. Yes, absolutely, that is by the directional loop. So here we will denote it by the 1, and again B1, A to C, yes, visited. So here we can say the vertex of the A visited to C, so we will write the 1, and again we will check the A to D, that will not visited, so we will write the 0, and A to E, that is also not visited, so here we will write the, अच्छा G तक है, we must write the Z, E, F and G. Because total vertex how much? G तक है, so we will move till the G like this. Okay class, and here we'll check A to E, the vertex A to B not it is not visited, so we have denoted by the 0. A to F not visited 0, A to G not visited 0. Again we will check the next vertex B. B to A, no, that is not visited 0. B to B, yes, that is visited by the inner loop. B to C, no, that is not visited, so we will write the 0. B to D, yeah, B to D, no, that is not visited 0. B to E, no, सभी नो हो जाएंगे. B to E no visited, B to F no visited, B to G no visited. Okay, again we will check C to A visited, no, 0. C to B visited, no, 0. C to C no visited, 0. Here we will write the 0. And C to D, yes, absolutely, that is visited, so here we will write the 1. And again we will check the next vertex C to E, that is very visited, no, that is not visited, so we will write the 0. C to F, C to F, no, 0. C to G, 0. Again we will check the next vertex D is visited to A, no. D to B, D visited A, D visited B, D visited B, no. So we will write 0. Again we will check the vertex D. D to C, no, this is on directional, so that will not be visited. But D to D, no, 0. D to E, yes, here visited. D to vertex B, E, so we will write the 1. And then we will check the next vertices. F, D to F, no, that is not visited, so we will write the 0. Again we will check the D to G, that is not visited, so we will write the 0. Again we will check the next vertex E. E to A, that is visited or not visited, no visited, so we will write the E, 0. And again we will check the next E to B, 0. E to B, 0. E to C, 0, because that is not visited. Again we will check the vertex next E to F, that is visited, not visited, so E to D, no visited, so we will write the 0. And E to E not visited, so we will write the 0. Again we will check the next vertex E to F, that is visited, so here we will denote it by the 1. And next we will check the next vertex E to Z, that is not visited, so we will write the 0. Again we will check the next vertex F, that is visited to G, no, A, and we will write the 0. F to B, no, that is not visited, so 0. F to E, F to C, that is not visited, 0. F to D, that is not visited, 0. F to E, that is visited, yes. F to, but no, this is a directional, so that is not visited. So here we will write the 0. F to F, that is also denoted by 0, but F to G, that is visited, so that's why we will write the vertex 1. Again we will check the next vertex G. Is G visited to A? No, not at all. So here we will write the vertex 0. G to B, no visited, so 0. G to C, no visited, 0. G to D, no visited, 0. G to E, no visited, 0. Again, but G कहीं पे जाएगा नहीं, because this is the last vertex. So that will be, yeah, we can say सब में 0 हो जाएंगे. Yes or no? So class already I think आप समझ गए होंगे कि कैसे हम लोग कर सकते हैं. Right now we are going to discuss about the incidence matrix, because this is your concern. So please note down. Mr. Vikas, yes, note down.
Yes, sir.
Here we are going to write the incidence matrix.
अगर ऐसा हो कि कुछ डायरेक्शन हो, कुछ डायरेक्शन का ऐसा नहीं हो.
हाँ,
एक ही ग्राफ है जिसमें कुछ का डायरेक्शन हो, कुछ का डायरेक्शन नहीं हो.
ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ बनाइए, हो सकता है.
हाँ सर, कोई भी सर बना लेंगे, इसलिए 5 का डायग्राम डायरेक्शन लेंगे, 2 का नहीं देंगे.
So right now, first of all, note down incidence matrix. Incidence matrix it is a weighted मैट्रिक्स. यानी कि इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, जो एज का वेट लिखा हुआ रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स. वेयर राइट डाउन where every age hold Here every is, look at, here every is hold a store weight, where every is hold या store weight को स्टोर करता है by the help of following graph, by the help of following graph. कभी कभी समटाइम्स आपके इग्नू के एमसीए में पूछ लेता है डायरेक्ट इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, एग्जांपल के साथ डिफाइन कीजिए शॉर्ट टर्म में, तो इसे लिख लीजिए क्योंकि आपके इग्नू के ब्लॉक में इस तरीके से नहीं लिखा हुआ होगा, वहां पे पूरे एक साथ दे दिए जाते हैं, कंसाइज नहीं होगा. बाय द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग ग्राफ वी कैन, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग ग्राफ वी कैन understand the concept of, we can understand the concept of incidence matrix. Incidence matrix. क्योंकि विदाउट एग्जांपल्स क्लियरिफिकेशन नहीं होंगे, so please write down class. I am going to draw the first because we will consider. First we will consider on directional, then we will consider on undirectional incidence matrix. Okay? So here I will construct both a graph, directional and undirectional with incidence. So look at A, B. Here we will see C, D, like this, but here we will change. What we will change? Look at the board. This one and this one. Can we write or not write, Mr. Vikas?
Yeah.
Yes. So here we will write the 1, weight 1, and this one 2, and this one 5. Do you have any problem?
No.
That's good. Very intelligent. So here this one 7, this one 4, and this one.
So 5 is written. So you got.
Maybe repeat. No, there is no effect. Weight repeat हो सकता है. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वेट हो सकते हैं. So here we will write the 5 and here we will check the next vertex B to C vertex to write 11, this one 12, and this one 30. Can we write or not write? Because
Yes, sir.
yes, absolutely we can write. And here we will write the 14, 15, and this one 21, and this one. So here we can observe from this graph, this is a directional incidence map. ये क्या है? Undirected weighted graph है. इस ग्राफ को क्या बोलेंगे हम यहाँ पे? What we will speak?
Undirected.
गलत. Undirected weighted graph. Undirected graph और डायरेक्टेड weighted ग्राफ में डिफरेंस है. डिफरेंस क्या है? इसमें वेट दिया हुआ था, उसमें वेट. So here we will write the undirected weighted, WEIGHT, undirected weighted graph. Yes या no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Right now you are intelligent, and again we will check the next vertex for directionals A, and here B, here C, here D, and we will write this one, this one, this one. and here we will write this vertex E. This is the directionals, and like this. F, vertex F, and here we will see, and it is denoted a bit of bit here. The bit is 22, only 2, and this one 23, 24, 25, 31. This one हो सकते हैं ग्राफ F, vertex F, and here we will see this one, say 5, this one 9, 8, F, Z, and this one H. Again we will check the next vertex I. आज इंसिडेंस मैट्रिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ लीजिए. Right now I am going to construct the different this one, and here I will write the 3, and this one 8, and this one 5, this one 7. Here weight is 7, and here we are going to construct of this graph like this, and here we will see H is 9, and here we will check this one, and here we will write 12. We will write 12, and we will check this incidence like this. One 11, bit is 11, and like this 13. Okay class, like this 14, and like this 41. That may be or not may be, of course that may be. ये ग्राफ और इसमें दोनों में डिफरेंसेस है कि नहीं क्लास, और इसलिए there is a big difference, so please आप इसको बनाइए, solve it. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस नहीं किए जाते हैं. वन मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, एक बड़ी सी ग्राफ आपको ही बनानी है. थोड़ा और इसमें कंफ्यूज कर देता हूँ. लूप चला दे रहा हूँ. 13, 23, 2, 3, 4, 9. आपके MCA में नॉर्मल ग्राफ नहीं दिया जाएगा. मास्टर्स डिग्री के जितने भी रहते हैं मैक्सिमम इसी तरह का कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्राफ दिया जाएगा, और इसी ग्राफ में आपको फाइंड आउट करने होंगे. ओके, राइट नाउ एक का मैं इंसिडेंस बना दे रहा हूं, बाकी को आप कर लेंगे. लुक एट,
यस सर.
हियर वी विल राइट A, B, C, D. How many vertex? Because
sir 4.
A, B, C, and D. And like this A, B, C, and D. And here we will see A to A. Paper gaya hai? No. So here we will write 0. Can we write or not write? And A to B, Mr. Vikas. A to B.
No sir. Yeah.
21,
21, 23,
21,
23 and 15.
23 और 15. आप मैट्रिक्स में ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते हैं, वेट अलग ही लिखेंगे, इसे अलग कर करके, है ना. अगेन A to C, we will see A to C, no 0. A to D गया है 1, 2, 5. Again we will check B to A, yes, that will be visited. So class, I think आप इसे लिख सकते हैं और आप आसानी से इसे आप बना सकते हैं. Okay class, so right now I am going to over the lecture, but you must complete the assignment. If you do not solve the questions, you cannot construct or understand the concept of the. Okay class, thank you all of you, thank you so much.